Hello. Today I thought I'd show you how to upgrade the firmware on any Canon mirrorless body. It's very easy to do. There are two ways to go about it. Let's follow along step by step. First, let's start off with a warning. If you are not comfortable doing something like this, please consult a professional. You could potentially brick your camera if something goes wrong, and we don't want that to happen. All right, let's begin. There are two methods to upgrade the firmware on your camera. Both of them basically are doing the same thing, moving your firmware file from your computer to the body of the camera. First method is the Canon EOS Utility launcher, which basically means you're just hooking up your camera directly to the computer, loading the file, and going from there. The other method is using the SD card, copying the file directly onto the SD card, and then running the firmware update procedure from there. The first step, of course, is to go to the Canon website support page and download the appropriate firmware for your camera model. Make sure you choose the correct file version for your computer. In this case, it's the Canon R50 for Windows. Next, extract the files. Before we begin, it's very important that you have a freshly charged battery in the camera or connected to a power source. Because if the battery runs out of power in the middle of the update process, which is a little lengthy, you could potentially brick the camera, and that's not fun. The first method is the Canon EOS Utility. First, connect your camera via USB to your computer, and now power it on. Now load the EOS Utility software on your computer. Choose Camera Settings. Firmware Update. Click Next. And browse to the folder location where you downloaded the update file. And click Next again, which will then transfer the firmware update file to your camera. Now go back to your camera, click OK to begin the firmware update process. Sit back and relax, because this is going to take a few minutes. Now the update is complete. You can check in the menu settings to see if the firmware has been updated to the correct version. Depending on your camera model, it could be under a different section of the menu list. The second method is much simpler, and it just involves copying the firmware update file to your SD card. After you've copied the firmware update file to the root of your SD card, put it back in the camera. Turn your camera back on, go back into the menu. Under the wrench icon, look under the submenus for firmware, which may be different for every camera model. Click on Firmware, and then Camera, and then OK. And then another OK. This will start the update process. Now go grab yourself a cup of coffee. Once the process is complete, go back into the menu under the wrench icon to make sure the firmware matches the version you just installed. Well, there you have it. The process is now complete. We've now upgraded the firmware on our Canon mirrorless body. I hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time.